So we've been working on this the last week or so. We had a class last week. Ryan worked on this during the class. Before that, me and Ryan were scrubbing on it. Me and Ryan have been scrubbing on it for a couple days since then, and now we're finally ready to go in the booth, get some primer on this. We're gonna do CRE 921. We blocked this whole car out. We skimmed everything, blocked it with 80, guide coated it, 150'd it. We're pretty satisfied with it, so here we go. We're gonna get this all out of here, blow it out, get it in the booth. All right, so now we've got her in the booth. Got her taped up, wiped down. We're gonna spray some CRE 921 on this as our high build primer. We're using CRE 921 because it's black and it's very similar to 2050. Chemically, they're almost identical, but CRE you can get in white, black, or gray. So we're going to use CRE, get it black, and then you can see a little more of if there's any waves or ripples here and there. It's easier to see when it's black. So we're going to use black primer on this one. So there we go. We've got 3 coats of CRE 921 down. This is a very thick, very peely primer, but a lot of build, and that's what we're after. So the car looks pretty good after its first round of filler work. It's fairly straight. It's pretty good. So from here, this is going to dry for a week or so, and we'll run the bake lights around it, and then we're going to start blocking this with 150. And then from there, we'll prime it again. After we block it with 150, we'll prime it again. And then we'll block it with 240 and blow it apart for paint and refine things from there. So stay tuned.